So back on the '07 Lexus GS350 with the headlight that had an issue with bowing out over on this side. This little plastic piece, it just pops out of the socket. Pop it back in, right? Yeah, guess what? When you try to adjust it, it comes right back out. So you know what that means? Time to be plastic welded. Yep, time to pull out plastic welder. That's what that means. Just a soldering iron. Pretty simple. So I'm going to plastic weld it like so. And not particularly hard to do. At least there's room. There's less room on the other side, and that one seems to be working fine. So we're going to do the same thing like I usually do here, which is try and melt the two together, and then try and fill that canal just like this. It's not going to take a lot. And that's how you really fix that. And the last point on these headlights, which I noticed that I did not have enough adjustment. I just could not adjust these headlights enough. In other words, I needed to go down more. So what I found was, and maybe you can see what I did now, but see that little zip tie right there? That little zip tie had to go around the back of this adjuster all the way to the front, because it just needed a little bit more in. And I don't know why. I don't want to go take it apart again and figure it out. This is how I fixed it. So you might have this problem too, and this is how you fix it. Put a zip tie right in there, and you tighten it until your height is just right. Something else is broken in here. I don't know what. Maybe in shipping, but if you want to fix it right, go buy a $1,500 one. In the meantime, this $150 one does a pretty good job. So that's how I ended up ultimately fixing it. It was just too high in the sky. The right adjustment. They work fine. They level when it first starts up. All is good on this end. So, sucks, but that's how I had to fix it.